Hello citizens. It is I, your glorious Emperor Samkuti.
And I, your all-powerful leader Diakuk.
We come to you today to talk about a joint mission between the Great Samkuti Empire and the Democratic Republic of Diakuk.
Apparently there is a food shortage and people in our country are going hungry. This is largely due to our current lack of ships in our two great nations. Most of our fleets were lost when Emperor Samkuti and I played an epic game of real-life battleship.
B4.
You sank my cargo ship.
As our empire's greatest naval engineers and mathematicians, it is your job to figure out how to ship more food into our glorious empires.
Samkuti and I were able to find one last cargo ship. The TMS Snack Attack.
The decision has come down from your leaders to traverse the narrow sea and invade Wardlandia, a nation brimming with food in 3 shapes and sizes: cylinders, triangular prisms, and rectangular prisms.
Your task is to fully utilize the space in the cargo hold, a rectangular room measuring 20 meters by 40 meters by 10 meters, to transport as much food as possible from nation to nation, ensuring both will live on, in glory.
For science.
Your group of 2 to 3 will need to find 3 objects at home to represent the food that we will be pillaging from Wardlandia.
These objects do not need to be actual food, but must be safe to fully submerge in water. You will need 1. A triangular prism, 2. A rectangular prism, and 3. A cylinder.
For each object, you will need to use the formulas you have learned to calculate the following: surface area. For Diakuk Samkuti advertisement and propaganda space.
Volume, to determine the maximum amount of product that will fit in the cargo hold.
Mass, to determine the maximum weight that the TMS Snack Attack will need to carry.
Density, to relay to the ship's captain to ensure a safe, buoyant voyage.
Once finished with these calculations, you will need to determine how much of each type of food can be loaded into the cargo hold to maximize usage of the available space.
Because of the importance of this mission, you will test your calculations using Archimedes' water displacement technique.
The survival of our two great nations rests upon your ability to maximize the space available in our cargo hold, by bringing back as much food as possible. Your cargo hold must contain some of each type of food.
Emperors like variety.
Wait a minute. It is I, the Great Linda. I think anything you Canadians can do, we can do too. Let's show those Canadians how smart we are.
You can do it. All right, the fate of our 3 great nations is in your hands.